I'm live recording this indicator. You can see over here the buy signal was generated because the price has moved above the pivot and began high low. You can see the pivot is rising, the price is rising. You can see very clearly. Let me enable this. So you can see so clearly the price is moving higher, so comfortably you can trade in the crude oil futures. This is the pivot R1 and the price has moved higher. You got an entry around 176 and now it is running around 186. You could have 10 points you could have gained. The price is moving. How to know the target? For the target, you can go for measured move. That is 12.5 points. So you can anticipate the move to 191. 191. And you can utilize the indicator which is available on the uh, trading view. You can enable ATR levels by Mukwishi. These are the grid levels which will tell you the resistance and the support. And this black line is the balance line. Once it crosses, definitely it will go to 196. The market has started coming down and now it is retracing. It is going up. The pivots are rising. So it is a natural process after a big bar market, the candles will go sideways. Again, this type of price action you can see. If you see, there are three bull bars over here. It may show three bull bars. No, it is plotting already violet color bar indicating that I'm going to go sideways. Let us watch and see. I'm going to record for this performance of the indicator to see how it is doing that. You can see the pivot is moving higher and with rolling time frame auto it is adjusting. The purple color bar are narrow range bars indicating market will go sideways. So now after this move, it is going sideways. So you are halting your position. You are not entering over here or doing anything. You have already entered around here when the buy signal generated around 178 or 179. You have entered here. A late entry should not be done. You need to hold the position trailing your stop loss. Stop loss can be trailed to this level, that is 179. Let us see how the market performs. It is 185 now. This is a very beautiful indicator. be on the 5 minutes time frame. Only during the market volatility, it will fluctuate like anything in the on the opening bell in the Nifty. So you can see how beautifully it is performing. So every step, even the red candles have come, it is a buy signal. It is plotting buy, buy, buy. I'll record for your this one how to take the trade. So you could have taken entered into this crude oil. It indicated buying. Buying was initiated around here. That is 4:10 p.m. 4:10 p.m. it is running. Probably it may run, and the trend may run up to 7 p.m. on our Indian time. At that time, New York session will open. So Asian session has been closed. So it has been rolled over to now it is in the cusp of European session and uh, New York session. See, from the area of the cell, B has emerged. That is the beauty. So clarity in this. So clarity. You can go and buy, it is telling. So market is after two, see from here to here it moved from 179 to 185. That is 6 rupees move. So after 6 rupees move, it is halting. It is here it halted from 12 rupees move, 3 candles down move. So if you measure how much it retraced 5.9 points. So it started from here, from the bottom, that is 12 point. So it may consolidate and continue for the 12 points up move. It is slowly moving. Just watch. It is 186.2 now. A next candle has opened and it is also purple. It is showing purple bar. That means it is not a bullish bar. I mean, narrow range bars are forming. The market is going sideways. That is the indication. That is the beauty of this indicator. It shows you trend, it shows you halt, it shows you when to buy and when to exit. The signals are generated so nicely, like somebody is telling. It is a very wonderful indicator. You can message me if you want this. 9845209600. You can trade on commodity. Let me show it on the Bitcoin also. Bitcoin, it has come down here. It has fallen here. Now it is showing, still it is showing down move. The continuous down move is in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin moved from 630 to upward movement and now it is correcting. If you would have timed your, see, Gan Hilo is telling, break down below the pivot and Gan Hilo is magenta color, breaking below the support and the Bitcoin has moved from 109,600 to 108,797. That is the price running. Let us go to this crude oil. Let us see what is happening over here. Let me disable this ATR, this one. just you can watch because I cannot record for a long time and you can watch. I'll record. At least we will keep the target for 189 to 191 and we will watch. Once it reaches that target, let me close the recording, live recording. So probably it may consolidate for 1 or 2 bars. It may go sideways for another bar also. Let me change it to 1 minute so that it will be fast. You can see on the 1 minute. It is going sideways. You can see this is the trend. Yeah, so you can anticipate if you take the fib tool, the correction is already 0.38 to 0.5. So this is the level 183.2 is your stop loss. 1 minute. Change it to 5 minutes. So your stop loss is here and you are holding the position. Suppose if you have entered here somewhere around late entry 181. If you would have entered, your stop loss is 183. So friends, you have seen the live recording. I cannot go on and on to continuously sit and record, but it is a sample. You can see how the buy signals were generated. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.